Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at CAVA, and we actually have a pretty nice structure, at least to the upside, because I can count a wave 1 up, wave 2 down, and then third wave up, fourth wave down, fifth wave up, wave 1 complete, and we are looking for a correction in a wave 2, which seems to be well on its way, and I would expect this wave 2 to land in the support zone between $87.4 down to around $42.6, find support somewhere in this area and start a reversal in the third wave to the upside. Now I also want to add this count to the chart, add a wave 1 here, add a wave 2 that we are looking for. I don't really know if we could say that the wave 2 completed. I so far see a 3-wave move here, could be an A wave. I see then a B wave up, maybe a wave 2. Then I see a 5-wave move. Now this could either be a third wave or a C wave. And it could be a third wave in the case where we have a double 1 2 1 2 setup, but then we would have a third wave down, a fourth wave up, and we would continue to be looking for lower and then complete 2 4 5 patterns, but then we would complete a 5-wave move to the downside, and then we also would expect it to be at least an A wave, if not a wave 1, of a larger threat to new all-time lows in an impulse to the downside. But even if it is only an A wave, we would then be looking for a B wave here up, and then still a C wave that could take us even lower, and maybe, hopefully not, it should not break below the support zone, because that would actually lower the probabilities that we head higher in a third wave to the upside. So yeah, we wouldn't really like that, but it is a risk. Now for now I will count this. I will put a countdown for this as an A wave down, B wave up, and C wave to come to the downside. And this A wave would have been an ABC. Let me draw that better. A, B, C. Now A, B, C in wave B, and we are in the C wave to the downside, where I would be looking for a wave 1 down, wave 2 up, third wave down, fourth wave up, fifth wave down to actually complete this correction. A target for the third wave in the wave C would be around, the 138.2% extension, which is also at the 61.8% retracement level at $57.4. Quite a strong level to hold and stop the impulse in the third wave to the downside. Now it seems we actually had some upside today, but I wouldn't count too much on that. I'm not sure how a count that would consider this correction complete would play out. Maybe a WXY. Now that could allow it to actually be complete in an ABC in the wave Y. So let me add that in, let's say, green. So WXY. And then we would expect to start the third wave to the upside immediately, or maybe after a few more small 4-5 patterns. Now depends on how this is, but doesn't change too much overall. I just want to stress out that even if it's the WXY where the correction is complete, even if it's the ABC where we still are heading much lower in the correction, where we only completed actually a wave 1 up, a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, and then we are now in the third wave down, we are still in the large time frame support zone. And let me move this away, but from $87.4 down to $42.6, we still expect a strong reversal to the upside. And if the correction completed now, we would expect a target for the third wave to the upside up to around $772.7. So I know it seems quite outlandish, but keep in mind it doesn't have to play out in a certain amount of time. It could extend over the years into that price range. But yeah, for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that. in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.